How to reply a tweet on Twitter using mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can reply a tweet on Twitter using mobile. Now, replying a tweet on Twitter using mobile is quite simple and easy. Simply head into your Play Store and download the app Twitter here, and then what you want to do is log into your account. Once you download it, simply open it up and log into your account. Now you can see I'm logged into my account here. If I tap on profile, you can see my profile. Now, to reply to a tweet on Twitter, what you need to do is first head over to the tweet that you want to reply to here, and what you want to do is open up the tweet here. Simply tap on it and open up the tweet here, and here down below you can see there are five different icons actually, and you can see the comment icon, the retweet icon, like icon, bookmark icon, and the share icon. What you want to do is tap on the comment icon here, and then it'll show up here replying to R1B updates and tweet your reply. Simply type in your reply here, and then what you want to do is I'll just type in type in your reply, and then simply tap on the reply option at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the reply option. Simply tap on it and you'll reply it. So this way you can reply a tweet on Twitter using your mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.